So I'm at the wash box, so I'm gonna wash this car, and after that we're gonna just completely clean this thing. You can see the dirty fingerprints on my roof here. My dash is just dirty as hell, and I need to clean this thing so bad. So let's go. Welcome everyone, new Dead White Volvo video. Thanks for tuning in. And yeah, there's a lot going on. I have my car outside. I just washed this thing. It's still wet and it's drying in the sun. But it's an awesome day. It's sunny for the first time in, I think, 2 weeks or something. So yeah, I'm pretty happy. And I wanted to clean this car so bad for the past like 5 months or something. And I just didn't have any time. It was constantly breaking down on me. I had to change the fuel tank stuff, I had to do my alternator, I had the brake caliper issue that was stuck, and a whole lot more. And yeah, I finally can clean my car again, so I'm very happy. I used to be a really enthusiastic detailing guy. With my old car, a Volkswagen Golf 4 from 2000, a black one, metallic black. Yeah, I was just cleaning that thing every week almost, you know, polishing the thing every 2 weeks, and that car was just so ridiculously clean. I can drop a photo here right now. Yeah, that was my old car, and now we have the Volvo, of course, almost 1.5 years or something. Yeah, I thought, why not do a video about how to properly clean your car with a special kind of polishing paste. Yeah, that's what this video is all about. So what does this thing do? This is a paint correction paste. It's a cleaner, so it cleans every little thing of debris of your car's paint. So when you have a very thick layer of dirt on your car, or oil spots or anything else, you make your car clean, just like I did. And after you have your car clean, you take the paste, you apply it, you buff it out. But after that, you have no protection at all on your car. No wax, nor no ceramic coating, nothing. So everything is gone. So what you need to do then is apply some coating for your paint, and that's what we're gonna do next. So first, let's get this car dry, and when my car is dry, we can get it inside of my shop. And as you can see, I cleaned my shop yesterday. Yeah, then we're gonna make this car shine again. So let's go. So guys, this video you're watching right now is actually my 34th post. Yeah, this is a big deal for me. I love doing this. I am working really hard to keep posting all these videos. And since I announced that I am posting every Monday and Friday, my views have been going up like crazy. I got 40 subs every month since then. So yeah, that's motivating me real good, and I want to thank you guys for that. So if you are a subscriber, thank you very much. If you aren't yet, go out, hit that subscribe button, and make this channel what it could be. I am working really hard, and I hope you guys love watching these videos and find them very helpful. And I want to ask you guys, drop below in the comments what Volvo do you want to see on this channel next to this Volvo 240. I want to make more videos for you guys, and I want to make more videos about how to work on your own cars. So tell me what you want to see on this channel, and maybe in the future I will make it happen. Let's go. So the thing you never want to do is polish a car in the full sun. But the thing I did is just mask off my black door trim. As you can see, I put some masking tape over there. Put some masking tape over here, because when you take that stuff and put it on any black trim of your car, you will make that black trim turn out white, and we don't want that. So the thing we're gonna do now, the car is almost fully dried up. I will move all this stuff to the back, and then we can take the car inside and we can start cleaning it. And then I will show you how this product actually works and why I love using it. And yeah, let's go on with the video. And god damn it, this car is so stunning. And there we have my Volvo without a roof rack. It's over there. Oh, that is not what I meant to do. That is what I meant to do. But yeah, look at how dirty this thing is. This is all just dirt and stuff that's in my paint of the car. Here you can see all dirty fingers. Those are also over here with some other paint damages. Here they tipped the paint on the door over there. Yeah, I've got some rust over there, and my window is leaking over here in this spot I really need to take care of. But yeah, I need some gas for my welding device. But yeah, just to show you guys how dirty this car is. Look at that. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but this thing is all over the car. There's all black spots here on the hood, and on the side over here. That's just all from working on the car, and yeah, I got a huge dent over there. So I'm not even gonna bother with that door, I think. But yeah, so this is the stuff. The Comandant cleaner number 4. This is a paint cleaner, and this stuff removes any dirt and old stuff from your paint and makes it look brand new again. So let's go. So to apply this stuff, you need a soft cloth and just rub it in. The thing I usually do when doing this is I take one piece of the car, so I take this front fender and I'm just cleaning this one. And when I'm done with this one, I start with my door. When my door is finished, I make sure I polish this one out first. If you wait too long, it will stay on the car and you will get all kind of swirls. And those are the white round spots you see on the car. And sometimes with black cars or darker colors on a car, you'll see them and they won't go away. And it looks just stupid. So as you can see, the hood is lifted slightly up right now. And now we can start on polishing the fender. So I've been polishing this side, driver's side of my Volvo 240. Yeah, I'm almost there. I did my front fender, my 2 doors, and I'm now here at the back, as you can see. And if you look at this, you can, I think, yeah, you can see how much it shines. You can see my own face in a white car. That's a good thing. The thing you want to look out for when polishing a car is, of course, are you doing it right? You can't do it wrong, and then you will see all those kind of swirls. And to show you what I mean, I will flip my camera around. And this is a side that I just rubbed in with the polishing compound. And yeah, as you can see, it's now full of that stuff. And the thing you want to keep in mind is, of course, I'm gonna wipe this off in a minute. But when I do, you need to make sure everything of this stuff is coming off the car. So what I will do, I will film this when I'm polishing it out, and then you guys will perfectly see yeah, how you need to do this. So let's wait a minute, and then we can polish this out. So the thing that's really helping me today is one of the lights that I got with my shop here. And I specifically didn't hang this one up, so I can throw it under the car, stick it between my hood and stuff. And it works awesome for polishing this car. So as you can see here, this stuff here is not wiped down. And this stuff here is. So I'm not gonna touch that anymore. And as you can see, sometimes you miss something, as you can see here. Did it on purpose to show it on the video. But when you see this in the light, of course, take your cloth and wipe it away, because you will never get it away if you wait too long. And I'm on time right now, so this doesn't matter. But if you don't wait, if you wait too long, I mean, then you're screwed. So if you have this, just take your cloth and just, if you see it here, just rub it out. And if you give it a good rub, that means you're polishing out all the scratches. And as you can see, it makes it shine so much. So get it along the edges, very good. Take it on the top, and this is why I masked the top here, because otherwise you will just make your sticker over here, your decals, you will make them, yeah, they will turn out white after a while of doing this. And the rubbers on your door handles will lose some of that stuff, so these will actually bring some kind of black goo on your paint, so that's also not a good thing. So yeah, that's it. I'm gonna finish this thing up, and then I'm gonna do the other side, and the hood and the roof, and then we'll take the next step with the bottle over here. And as you can see, I will make a good shot right now. This is turtlewax, bright white wax, color magic, and it should do this. It should take your grayish white car and turn it into a white car. So let's go on. So guys, girls, everyone, this is making me smile so much. This car is so ridiculously clean right now. And yes, of course, I have the huge dent and I have very dirty hands, but this thing is just brand new. Look at the roof. The roof is just so dirty. As you can see in the pictures I'm throwing in here, it was so dirty, and it was so satisfying to just clean this thing, and it shines so much right now. Look at it shine. But yeah, also look at this. It's very typical Dutch weather. So it's raining very badly, and yeah, I wanted to make some beautiful shots of this car, but I can't. Would you look at that? It's a pretty car. It's just a white Volvo, but it's a pretty car. You gotta admit it. This thing shines so much. And as you guys might have seen in previous video, I took off my window tint. I did that myself about a year ago, and it started peeling off at the sides. And today I took my rear off there also, because it was just, yeah, it looked shit. So I took that off, and yeah, I'm happy with how the car looks right now. It was 7 hours of cleaning a car, and you gotta admit, it looks so good. I love that car. I really love that car. And just these things, just polishing them and just keeping this car on the road means everything to me. That's the full reason I got it, to make it my job, to get that car back on the road and make it just as beautiful as I can make it. And yeah, that's just my job. I see it as my job to maintain this car and to get it back in tip-top shape. So yeah, this YouTube channel is just a extra thing to work on, and I love that you guys support me, and I love every one of you 240 subs that are currently subscribed to the channel while I'm making this video. So thank you all for that. If you like this video, leave a huge thumbs up. If you are not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.